baddest, and I'm the baddest in the school, the baddest.
Good morning, y'all. Guess what day it is? Valentine's Day. Okay, so we got a full day ahead of us. I'm already late. I was supposed to wake up at 6 a.m. to go get some stuff I needed for my hair. It's 9-something. I'm just now getting done brushing my teeth, but I'm well rested and I'm ready for today. So stay tuned. Okay, I done showered. I'm back from the store. While I'm realizing that I did not already pluck my lace, so there go an extra 30 minutes into doing my hair. So these lace are pre-plucked, but y'all know I like mine to look like that, baby, in a certain way. So it's y'all, I didn't bleach it either. I can't do this. I can't do my hair like this. Y'all, this lace is not bleached. It's plucked, but it's not bleached. And I refuse to have some knots. So guess what? I'm glad I brought an extra wig. So glad I was prepared. Someone told me to get some shampoo, but I think it's some in here, but it's not like the best, but we're gonna make it do it again. So no frontal pony this time, but next time. So should I do this one or this other one? I don't know. I'm not gonna do that one because I feel like I already wore that. But I'm just gonna comb this one out. Should I wash it? That might need to be washed. I don't know. They might throw a dent in my getting ready. But I'm gonna wash it. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got my ball cap.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. My hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drop these stuff that's crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all the.
Okay, so I got my wig cap on. I'm just gonna measure and test out where I'm gonna put this frontal. Push this back a little bit, these baby hairs. So I'm gonna use my Sebastian shaper. Cause it's not as like a strong a pole like got to be, so it ain't gonna. It's not gonna have it like not wanting to completely move. It's just gonna get it out the way.
Inside that trunk, I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off
Okay, I don't know if I want to do a side part. I don't know if I want to do some up and some down. Decisions. I'm kind of tired. Move out. I'm kind of tired of middle part, so. Yeah, I didn't wash this hair, I didn't condition it or nothing, and it's still soft. It did need a brushing because it was just taken off and threw into my wig drawer. But for it to have nothing done and its color and to be this silky, so, but for it to have nothing done to it in months and it be this easy to comb through and still silky and bouncy, that's some good hair. Even and colored. This is colored, so this is bleached. And y'all know how bleach like kind of messes up the hair. Y'all, this is some good hair. Y'all better shop Made and Gorgeous. Y'all better go get you some of that. Period.
Say that again.
Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. Bad bitch, I could be beef. Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. Beef. Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. Beef fantasy. Pussy juicy, mini mag. I can tell you got big dick, Ellie drop. Tell you got. I can tell you got big dick, Ellie drop. Tell you got. I can tell you got big dick, Ellie drop. Tell you got big dick, Ellie drop. I can tell you got big dick, Ellie drop. Tell you got big dick energy. Face, no waist in the big ol' ass. 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 Pretty face. Fantasy. Waist in the big ol' ass. 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 On the count of three, bad bitch, you get me. Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. On the count of three, bad fantasy. Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. Be fantasy. On the count of three, bad fantasy. Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. I can tell you got big dick energy. I can tell you got big dick energy. I can tell you got big dick energy. Bad bitch, I could be beef. I can tell you got big dick energy. I can tell you got big dick energy. So you gonna stop playing.
I don't know how it always happened that my eyebrow brush just disappear when I come to Dallas and I need to do my makeup, but we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna put some lash glue on here.
Titty out?
You can't see it.
I bet not see it. Titty just hanging out. Let me see that.
How was your assessment?
Good. Why you naked? Why you naked recording?
That's what people do.
Ooh.
What are you doing?
Ooh. Go ahead, keep recording.
What are you doing?
Good.
See, no.
What?
Back up.
You can't multitask? Get a little whiff. What's going on around here?
Get the... I can't even focus. So you just gonna walk in with flowers and don't even give them to me?
You see recording? I'm trying to give them to you, like.
Whoa.
You want to finish that, or I meant like it's like a dry thing? Like, no?
What do you mean?
Like you have to put it on a certain time because it dries or something like that?
This? No.
What crazy going on? What crazy going on?
So why I woke up late?
Should the flowers I got you?
I see them, they're cute.
So you said you didn't need any sweets, so I got you something sugar free.
Stop playing.
I did.
Stop playing.
I did. So it's sugar free.
Oh, okay. Okay. see what's going on here.
What do you mean?
I see what's going on.
Look, I got one more thing.
Okay, let me see. Look at you. But where you been?
Calling your
But where you been though?
Calling your name.
Where you been? Oh! Okay, where you been?
In Garland.
Yo, Smalls, turn it up, bro.
When you gon' stop playing? 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 When you gon' stop playing?
I got it.
Switched hotels. That's my outfit. I'm about to go out. This is the room, y'all. I got a balcony, so you just know what's about to go down tonight. You just know, okay? A long walk in these hills.
So I don't know. I was down the hall and I just hear something like
Later.
Okay, just leaving the EVO spot. I had a couple drinks. It's a movie theater, a gameplay, and a bowling alley. Yeah, Cheesecake Factory right there, but I think I'm gonna go to Copeland's down the street here. Okay, here we go. I really wanted to try this place. I might do it tomorrow. It's a ramen sushi place. I know I love sushi, the fried kind. But yeah, almost at Copeland. Still struggling. Here, Copeland's. Okay. Uh-huh. That drink is so good. I think it's called the Mardi Gras something. No, Mardi Gras is going on right now.